Just feel the vibe this diffuser brings to you, everybody. Yes, and it also comes with this essential oil, alright, so you can add some drops to it. Your bedroom will smell so good. Yeah, perfect gift idea. It got different modes, different light, alright, and also this one allows you to set up the timer for 2 and 8 hours. It comes with the remote, and also you can just simply press the button right here. So everybody, if you like this, check this down below. The price is also affordable. Buy for your friends. Buy for yourself.